Have you ever considered why societies, with all their diverse individuals and competing interests, manage to function in a relatively orderly way? It is a question that cuts to the very core of our social existence, moving beyond simple rules to the deeper reasons behind our collective adherence. The fundamental duty to obey laws refers to the philosophical concept of political obligation, which is the moral requirement for individuals to follow the rules and commands established by a legitimate government. This is not merely about avoiding punishment, but about a deeper ethical commitment to the legal framework of one's community, recognizing that laws are essential for maintaining peace and order. This duty is rooted in several prominent philosophical theories, each offering a distinct explanation for its existence. Social contract theory, for instance, posits that individuals implicitly or explicitly consent to be governed in exchange for the benefits of living in an organized society, thereby incurring an obligation to uphold its laws. Utilitarian perspectives argue that obeying laws generally produces the greatest good for the greatest number, ensuring societal stability and well-being. Additionally, the principle of fair play suggests that if one benefits from the sacrifices or adherence of others to the law, then one is morally obligated to do the same, preventing free-riding and fostering reciprocity. Understanding these theoretical underpinnings helps us move beyond passive compliance to a more informed engagement with our legal systems. Instead of simply asking what the law is, we are encouraged to consider why a particular law holds moral authority and what its existence contributes to the overall structure of governance. This knowledge empowers individuals to discern the justifications for legal authority and to evaluate the moral legitimacy of specific statutes, fostering a more thoughtful and responsible approach to citizenship. Philosophers also delve into the concept of legitimacy, distinguishing between a government that merely holds power and one that possesses the moral right to govern and issue commands. This distinction is crucial, as the perceived legitimacy of a governing body often strengthens the moral conviction to obey its laws. Moreover, understanding this fundamental duty also provides a framework for discussing situations where civil disobedience might be considered a moral act, not as an outright rejection of all laws, but as a challenge to specific unjust laws within an otherwise legitimate system. It is a nuanced but powerful way to engage with the ethical dimensions of governance. Ultimately, the fundamental duty to obey laws is not a simple command but a complex tapestry woven from various moral and philosophical threads. It is an ongoing conversation about how we balance individual autonomy with collective well-being, demanding that we constantly assess the sources of governmental authority and our own roles within the legal structures that shape our lives. Recognizing this profound philosophical debate enriches our understanding of what it truly means to be a participant in a governed society.